The New York City Center for Media Education is a learning hub. We are here to make education accessible. CME provides a wide variety of training: podcasting, filmmaking, television and virtual production, as well as post-production. We have everything from how to edit your video to how to make a television show. We designed and created a space where it was meant to be a hands-on experience. We try to maintain a space that's affordable, that's accessible, and not one that restricts folks based on their skill level, their income. The reason that CME exists is because folks will come back to us and say, I got a job at insert TV station here, or I started my own production company and I quit my full-time job and this is what I now do as a career. I think what makes CME unique and different from most other learning institutions is that once you finish doing the work, we welcome you into our community and being a place where folks can create content, distribute their content. Creatives who are entering the CME community can expect unfiltered support. They can expect folks who are rooting for them, who are passionate about the work that they're doing, and who will be their biggest fan.